Hello everyone and welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today I wanted to show you a newest digital kit in my shop. It is a botanical nature themed. I wanted to make it fairly bright, but I wanted it to look old and used. So hopefully you like it. And there's, I think, 12 pages and then 10 pages of ephemera. It does print borderless if your printer does borderless. So there is one page. I'm hoping the light is still good and you can see all the great colors. I love this page. And a lot of these pages could be used either way. It could be used that way, but it could be used that way as well. Here is a good background page. And just some torn paper with some ferns, and again another page that could be used either way. Here is another one. A couple cute little girls. I picked them because of their flower headbands. So this would make a good background page as well. I'm not sure. I think in the video it might be a little more pinkish, but it's more purples. I like this page too. It's a little busy, but it's very much nature with all the themes and the nests and the trees and the little mice and the rabbits. And here's a nice page. Some roses with leaves in the background. Some pictures and some labels. And some collaging. That one, this is a good background page as well. So then we get into the ephemera. Some tags, some tabs, a label, or a little journaling card. A few more tags, some tickets, some labels or small journaling cards. Tea cards, tags, a couple of cute jars. Bookmarks, and some labels. Here is 4 postcards. And we have a couple of bags. And then we get into some envelopes. And I just added some of the ephemera from the kit and made it a different size just to fill in the spots below the envelopes. I didn't want to just waste that with white space. So I do like how this kit turned out. I'm looking forward to making a journal with it. And the last page. So I hope you like this kit. I will leave a link to it below. And I would love to see videos and pictures of anything you've made with my goodies. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.